Hello and welcome to today's how-to video. Today's how-to video is going to be on how to plant onion bulbs indoors. Yes, indoors. I never start my onion bulbs off outside. The reason why I don't start them off outside is because when the green shoots start coming through on the onions, the pigeons and the mice and etc. tend to like to find these green shoots and just eat the top off them. They don't do anything else, just eat the top off them, and then you've lost them. And the birds pull them out, so you have to keep putting them back in all the time, pulling them out, putting them back in again. So I start them all off indoors. Obviously if you've got netting or other structures to like cover them up, that's ideal, but my netting's not up at the moment, as my netting covers the whole plot, not just my beds. And obviously it's down at the moment due to the weather and the snow at the moment, so I've not got it up. I usually take it down and then put it back up eventually, ready for when all the plants are going out. So keep watching this video and I'll show you how to plant onion bulbs indoors. So all I use is just a bag of these onions. You can pick them up anywhere, garden centres, and you get about 150 to 200 possibly in a bag. So lots of onions. You only get one onion per onion bulb. They don't form more than one, for those that don't know. So yeah, so next you need a seed tray, one like this, and it's got to have holes in it. You don't want to not have holes in it or it'll just get waterlogged, so you want one with holes in it. The next step is to fill it up with compost. You need good compost, as you need them to take, you don't use old stuff. So nice new compost, and fill it up to the top. So once you've filled your seed tray up with compost, you need to grab your bag of onions, obviously open them, and all it is a case of just putting them into your seed tray. You need to make sure that the root bit is at the bottom and the pointy bit is at the top. So it's a case of just popping them in. You don't have to leave massive gaps. Just pop them into the soil, just like that. And continue until you've filled your seed tray up. So once you've filled them all up, it should look something like that. A nice lot of onions. So I've still got loads left, so onto the next seed tray. So as you can see, I've got 4 trays full of onion bulbs now. The next job is to water them. So they're all watered now. You don't want them absolutely waterlogged, but I'll give them a good drinking. The next step is my secret little trick again, is you need to get some cling film. So all I've done is wrap the trays in cling film. This will keep them warm, keep them moist, get them going, and just protect them a bit until they get going. So yeah, that's them done. So thank you for watching today's how-to video. I hope you found it beneficial, how to plant onion bulbs indoors and to get them started. Again, like I said, it's better to plant them indoors, I find, so that they can get going, get the green shoots going, so that the birds don't pull them up straight away, and just get them established really. Before planting them out. I think it just gives them that extra little push to get them going. So yeah, remember to subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting lots more how-to videos quite regularly, and you'll get notified as soon as one pops up, and also you're helping me with getting my viewing figures up. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any comments, please leave them below. Let me know if you found it useful. And remember to give it the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep gardening.